for AI application here, which you can use to create AI videos. As you can see here, prompt to AI or script to AI, as well you have the image generation section. So nothing much, only those two options. So for the script to AI option here, as you can see, you can edit a lot of things, the template being used, the text style being used, everything, and also you can edit your storyline, as you can see here. As well, once you have done everything, you can go ahead and generate a video. So they do give you option to select the aspect ratio if you want for YouTube or just TikTok or TikTok Shorts, whatever the case is. Also, they give you options to select whichever voice you want to use. So that's pretty much it for that. There at the image generation section here, and as you can see here, just enter your prompt and also select the aspect ratio you want to use. So if you, let's say for example, you enter cat here, and you just tap on image or generate image, and yes, you may see an ad or two. Just pretty much watch out the ads and you're pretty much good to go. So once the ads is finished, then the image will start generated, and as you can see here, the image is being generated. So very fast, not gonna take very long. So once the image is generated, you can go ahead and save it to your gallery. You're pretty much good to go. So that's really pretty much it. And in the history section, you pretty much will see all your generated videos. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. I'm not sure about the image, but just the video. So in the settings option here, you'll be able to select the language of the application. Nothing much. And yeah, that's just basically it for the subscription. Or well, you can tap on the Pro option at the top there. And as you can see here, you have the unlimited option, unlimited video generation, all devices and avatars, and as well remove ads. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I've missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. Let's see if I can help you out.